Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to show you how you can use data validation with an XLOOKUP and concatenation to create a report. So on the screen, I've got a very simple finished article where if I select a person in this list, the scores for that person will appear there, and then a sentence with those scores appears below. So I want to recreate this underneath. So first thing I'm going to do is click into a blank cell and just color that slightly different color. Go for light blue. So in there, I want a data validation list. So that's data, where it says data tools validation. I want it to be a list. So list. And then I'm going to select the list on a second sheet, which is this list. And then I'm going to open that back up, click OK to that, and that should give me my list, and I will select a person, Dave. Now if I just copy these two titles, copy, paste, so I've got them down here, like so. So when I select Dave from this list, I want it to bring back his scores, so these two. Now I'm going to use the XLOOKUP function to do that, so it equals XL, press tab when it comes up. So I'm looking at that, comma. The lookup array is on the other sheet. That's the table and their names, comma. Return array will be all the rest of it, so both of these. Then I'm closing the bracket, clicking the tick, and that brings back the information from Dave. So if I pick Anne, so it's the same as the one above, you can see how that works. So now I want this sentence to be created. So down here, I'm going to use concatenation, but I'm going to type it. Now, when you do concatenation and you are typing it, when you link to a cell, you need to use the and symbol like that. So this is where it's going to be. It's going to be equals, first of all. And then I'm going to click on this cell, but now I need to join it to some text. So there's the and sign. And then the text needs to go inside quotes. And then I'm putting scored, space, quotes. And then I want to click on this cell, because that's the score. Now you see what happened there. It snapped off because I forgot to do the and sign. So I'll do the and sign. Did that on purpose. Click on there. And then I need to do the and sign again. Do the side of it. And then I need to do open quotes and a space. If you don't do spaces, it all concatenates, it all joins together as one complete sentence with no gaps. So this now needs to say in maths, comma, and then a space to close that little sentence. And then I need the and sign again to click on the score for English. And then I do the and sign. Now I need to do another bit of a sentence. So in English. Close the quotes. And then close the formula. Now I could have clicked onto these two cells if these were likely to change, but they're not. I could have done that, but let's see what's happened here. So Anne scored 85 in maths and 85 in English. Change that to somebody else. Steve, he scored 90 and 90. Let's have a quick look at that. Let's change that one to 56 because I'm rubbish at English. Go back. So that picks that up, and it's picked that up in the sentence as well. So that's how you can utilize data validation with the XLOOKUP function and concatenation to create a report. And as I said before, you could have clicked on these as well, but then you're getting a bit, I think, too many and signs, and it gets a bit more complicated. So if this is not dynamic, you don't really need to include that in your concatenated report. But that's all I want to talk about in this little video. Hopefully it's of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.